Burp. Okay, now it's public. Go. Burp.
No,
Burp.
I'm not.
Do it.
I'm not ready.
Go on, do it. Burp.
I'm doing something right now.
Come on.
Oh God.
Burp. She is playing Xbox currently. Burp. That wasn't a burp.
Just that.
Burp. Burp.
I just can't burp right now. You'll have to burp until I can burp.
You're so mean. You're so mean. You're so mean.
I don't care.
Okay. Here, you hold this right here. There you go. There's only like 3 drops in here. Okay. I can't even burp. That wasn't even that much Coke. I can't even burp anymore. No, I can't even burp. I can't even burp.
That's one burp.
Yay! Okay, well, give me some of your Coke. I can't burp.
Here you go, then put.
I can't. No, there's no one left. Like, ah.
Yeah. I don't want your. Just.
No. Okay.
No.
Come on, just put it here. Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah. That's okay. That's too much. That's more than enough.
It's a couple of drops.
That wasn't a okay. No. Okay. Wait. Come on, who saw it last time? Sad face.
Which map should we play on?
Haven. Is that Haven?
Where? Oh, this? No, this is a game app.
Haven is game map? Oh,
Yeah.
do abandon.
It's just a small map. Abandoned. Abandoned is a game map too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All the cool named maps are like, they're freaking ugly, okay.
Halo Reach? Halo Reach is so much better than Halo 4. Come on, what happened?
Oh yeah, I forgot to. Oh yeah, there's new map packs in there. Shatter. Oh, it's ugly. Oh, that map looks cool.
Awesome. Wait, there's another burp. No, wait, yes.
It's in your heart. Just reach into your heart and you'll feel it.
Yeah, that beat all your burps. Okay. I don't know why. I need more Coke. Stop filming me. Just film you. I don't know which game to play.
I haven't played this game in so. Even though it's like really new.
Chill. You're mean. This is the meanest person in the world right here.
Why is so much?
Because your face is the one that is mean, so I must film your mean face. Okay. Wait, does your TV have like the stand thing?
No.
Why is it just like a screen? Shouldn't it be on the wall?
You have to put it into the wall first. But you can't, cause I'm poor. There you go, you can. made super soldier yet. A flashlight.
Oh, it's so bright. It looks like a UFO. Look at this. If he's on the camera, it looks like a UFO. Look at this.
Yes, I see it.
Shh.
The only problem is it's that way. It's it. But obviously, be like this.
Yes, but it doesn't matter. This
You know what, it'd be
this
more-
looks better. Why did you turn off the light? What the heck is that? Okay. There we go. I got a light, bro. Let's look at the flashlights. It's like, whoa. It's been 6 minutes already, and we're only gonna film a burping contest. That was it. Whoa! That's why. Okay. You look like you're possessed. Okay.
Hey, point that light at my eyes.
Wait, I need to do that. Yes. Okay. It's beautiful.
How do I forgot how to do this. No.
It's like strobe lights. On camera. Okay. Oh well. I know you don't care, but at least you can act.
Why have I not bought these?
Your hair looks like straight up blonde in light.
It's shiny.
Like it looks gold when it's like when you have no light on it, and then when
That's not magical. Have a problem?
no,
You have a problem with
it's
magic
no.
people? You have a problem with magic people?
Yes.
Freaking kill you.
No.
What's
I
this?
have ninja skills and I could kill you.
Yes.
Yes. No. Yes. Okay. Bye.